Goeiedag, hier heb ik een assignment van population growth. En hier heb ik in Gapminder. Ik heb met bubbles gewerkt. I'm sorry. Correction. I did it in Dutch, so I will do it in English. Hi, good evening. My name is Pearl, and I have the topic of population growth. I have 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Suriname, South Africa, and the Netherlands. Here I used the time to look how the population growth in the past years till 2015. I chose these countries because in the past they had something in common. America was here. They had big companies here, Suralco, and we were a colony of them. We were a colony of Netherlands. The African came here as slaves. Yeah, those people here. So that's why I chose for these 5 countries. As you can see, as you know, in some countries the population growth is high, and in some it is low, and in some it is steady. It doesn't increase, and it stays the same. But what I want to show and talk about is the population growth. I chose these 5 countries, but I want to show you the population growth in the United States. Population growth in the United States. I will open the link. Open hyperlink. Here I have the population of the United States. If you can see, if I move this line, you can see how much it growed, the population growth. And here, if you can look here, you will see it move. The difference in the difference you can see here, how much the population growth in the years of 1920 to 2000. Here, that was in the United States. And what is the population center of the United States? Here, the main center of the United States population has been calculated for each United census since 1790. In the year 2010, the point was located near Plato, Missouri, in the south center part of the United States. Is the population of the United States growing? See here, the United States ended 2016 with a statement population of 322,700 to 3 million 300. I don't know how to read this, but it's 322,762,018 according to an end of year statement of the United States Census Bureau, meaning that we added more than 2 million people to the population over the course of the year. So that was the United States. As you can see, it growed. Okay, we'll go to the United Kingdom. Open this link. Open hyperlink. As you can see here, we have the United Kingdom. As we move these lines, you can see here, you have to look here, you will see it moves. The difference in the growth of the population. And you can see Suriname. Now open hyperlink. Here we have Suriname. I think Suriname is the smallest of all the 5 countries. Suriname is the smallest of all the 5 countries. See here. Territory was taken of the Dutch. It became part of a group of the colonies as Dutch Guyana. You had 3 Guyanas. You had French Guyana, Guyana, and Suriname. The 3 Guyanas, because they are our neighborhood. They are our neighbor countries. Guyana, French Guyana, and Suriname is in the middle. We have delicious food in Suriname. And here we have the Netherlands. We will look the population link. Here you can see 7.02 million. You can walk those lines. You can see the growth of the population here. You can see it. You can see it. It grew. We have here the open hyperlink of South Africa, and you can see here it grew. Here you can see the change in the growth. Here we began with 7.4 million and we ended in 55.91 million in 2016 in Africa. That is the population growth in Africa. I had all the 5 countries. And here I will show you the population growth. As you can see here, we began at the year 1960. Look at the growth. 5 countries. United States is the biggest one, has the most population, and the smallest one is Suriname. Suriname doesn't have that many people. Here the green one here is United States. The blue one is South Africa. The yellow one the United Kingdom. And small balls here, the small line here with the yellow balls is Netherlands, and the smallest is Suriname. So on the first place we have United States, we have then the United Kingdom, then we have Netherlands, South Africa, then you have South Africa, the Netherlands, and Suriname is on the 5th. See here the growth, and it grew. If you see these lines here of Suriname. This is the small one here in Suriname. You can see it began here, and we had maybe too much death, illness, and then it grew, and it stayed steady for a while, and then it grew. So that was my assignment of the population growth of the 5 countries. I hope you enjoy it and I'll say good night.